Okay, so this is going to be the beginning of my second video, but it's my first educational video. I'm going to be teaching you about something called letter leaping. This is something that you can start as early as you want to, but it is most beneficial for kindergarten through second grade students as it helps them with letter recognition and understanding what different objects are. So, as you can tell, my son has decided to add extra letters to this print off. But what you essentially do is you make a list of items that are around the house. So for me, I just made a list of items that are in his room and then just in the next few rooms. So there's mirrors on the wall, there's a bed, there's a bookshelf, he has a toy box, a dresser, a table, and then for both chairs that are at his table, and then I'm labeling each window in his room, and then I'm labeling things in the bathrooms as well, so the toilets, the counters, the doors, and then I just left it at that. Make these as pronounced or as big as you want. I went for a, bigger font, but I did not embolden it. So this is what it ended up looking like at the end. And what I'm about to do is I have laminating paper and a laminator because I buy the most random things sometimes. And I'm about to laminate this one so that I can go ahead and cut it out and then put it on the wall or on the objects that I'm actually going to be labeling. That way, whenever I am taking him to the restroom, I can point to the toilet and say, toilet. And if we go to the other bathroom, toilet. But, counter. Or when we come into his bedroom, I'll go, that's a window, and then just point to the word so that he's recognizing the word whenever he sees it, but he's also recognizing what that object is. This is a very good tool for, like I said, if you're teaching letter recognition, so you're teaching capital letters at the front of things, and whenever you are trying to teach your child different words around the house. The way that letter leaping works is if you have a bedroom or an office or, like the kitchen, you can label everything and then have your child, quote unquote, leap to different letters. So if I say, hey, leap to the letter W, he would have to go to the window and recognize this starts with a W. Or if I said, hey, why don't you leap to a T word, and he could go to the toilet or his table. So it's completely up to you how you do this, but this is a very great exercise to start as soon as possible because it does help with that letter recognition and word development, understanding what things are. So I hope this helps.